Hi, I'm Amir Hossein Mirza Bozorg, and in this video I want to talk about a 50% discount code for all the premium Abaqus tutorials and packages from November 18th to 24th. How to use the discount code? The discount code is Black Friday 2023 and the discount percentage is 50%. If you want to purchase any premium tutorials and packages with a discount, please send us the names of the tutorials or packages with the discount code. You can send an email or text us via Telegram or WhatsApp. There are two types of videos on our YouTube channel: free tutorials and preview of the premium tutorials. About the free tutorials, certain free tutorials offer extended premium packages, and the price, excluding any discounts, are outlined in the description below the videos. When you provide us with the discount code Black Friday 2023, you will only be required to pay half of the stated prices if you specify the names of the premium tutorials or packages you desire. Without mentioning the discount code, the 50% discount will not be applied to your orders. Limitations of the discount code. The discount code can be utilized multiple times between November 18th and 24th. There are no restrictions on the quantity of premium tutorials or packages you can purchase using the discount. The sole limitation on the discount code is its expiration, which is the end of November 24th. You can contact us to buy the premium tutorials and packages. You can contact us via Telegram or WhatsApp or send email to us. Now I'm gonna inform you about the Abaqus webinar, how to resolve Abaqus explicit errors. This webinar is free and it's about resolving Abaqus explicit errors, including excessive distortion error, deformation wave speed error, and large number of increments error. And we have special offers for participants, and the webinar duration is 1 hour. It will be held at Tuesday, November 21st at 9 p.m. of India time zone, or 7 p.m. of Iran time zone, or 4:30 p.m. of Central Europe time. It will be held via Google Meet, and the maximum number of participants is 50. You can register for the webinar via sending email to abqclassmirza@gmail.com, and the link to the Google Meet room will be sent to you before the webinar. We have several types of services, including one-on-one tutoring on the AnyDesk, WhatsApp, and making special tutorials to your order, high-quality simulations for your thesis, exercises, and industrial projects, and we offer support in writing the modeling and result discussion part of your thesis, and we have consulting services for MSc, PhD positions or job interviews, and we can help you to prepare the presentation of your simulation works. Now I want to suggest you several related videos of our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good time. Goodbye.